The woodcutter's wife looked at the empty table. She said,
I wish we had some delicious sausages.
Suddenly, a plate of hot sausages appeared.
The woodcutter became angry. He said it was a silly wish. That was a silly wish. We could have wished for money or a beautiful house.
Without thinking, he shouted, I wish those sausages were stuck to your nose. Immediately, the sausages were magically attached to her nose.
Please help me! Take them off! She cried and begged him to help her.
The woodcutter felt sorry. He looked at his wife and said, I wish the sausages went back to the plate.
The sausages disappeared from her nose and went back to the plate. The couple had no wishes left, but they learned an important lesson. Think before you wish.